In primetime news this evening, gone too far. Anti-corruption groups react to Prime Minister's decision for government MPs to take over chairing of key parliamentary committees. No guinea pigs. Health officials say Jamaica will not participate in testing COVID vaccines, but will accept any proven and safe immunization. And COVID aftermath. Coronavirus survivor shares long-term after effects of contracting the virus.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: how have you changed your COVID-19 prevention practices in light of the community's spread of the virus?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.